Ready to ditch the high insurance bills and finally get affordable car insurance? Alright, let's dive into how to score that sweet Geico Car Insurance. First things first, you have to main options: get a quote online at geico.com or give them a call. Decide which method you prefer. The online process is usually quickest. If you're going online, head over to their website. If you're calling, have your information ready. This includes details about yourself and any other drivers on the policy. Next, gather the information needed. You'll need your driving history, including license numbers, past accidents, and any traffic violations for each vehicle. Have the make, model, year, and VIN ready. Then, tailor your insurance coverage to fit your needs. This decision is super important to avoid overpaying or not being adequately protected. Geico offers various coverages, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive. Really think about the levels of coverage and deductibles that are best for you and your lifestyle. Once you've chosen your desired coverage, Geico will present you with your quote. Review the quote carefully, paying attention to the premium. Now, this is where you make the decision. Are you happy with the price? If you're happy, congratulations, you found a car insurance that is right for you. The entire process, from start to finish, will typically take about an hour. You're officially on your way to potentially saving some serious cash.